Hello guys, welcome back again. So today I'm going to show to you how to create introduction video way more cool using this kind of effect on Capcut application. So the way to create it, first you need to open your Capcut and then insert the video that you want to add this introduction uh, footage. So I already prepared this video, this footage, and the way to adding the introduction video onto it, first go to the exact duration that you want to use. So for me, I'm going to this 4 seconds duration from this video, and then we need to swipe left the toolbar until you found this freeze button, then just click freeze on that exact position. So I think I will set it on to 5 like this, then click freeze button, and now you can play around by increasing or decrease the length duration from the freeze footage like this. Okay, when you're done, click the clip and then duplicate it, and on the duplicated footage, now you just need to use it as an overlay. Click this overlay button and positioning it on top of the freeze clip like this. Then click the clip like this and go to this remove background and click this auto removal, click it, and then add a stroke by clicking this stroke button on the auto remove background and use any kind of stroke that you want. So for me, I'm going to use this one, and I would like to increase the size of it like this. Then go back and don't forget to hit this check button when you finish doing it. Okay, and then the next step, go back to the toolbars again, and now you need to go to this effect button. Go to the effect button and use this video effect and go to the texture effect. Swipe left the section of the toolbar and hit the texture section, this one. And now you can use any of texture that you want to use. So for me, I'm just going to use this dot silk screen, this one, kind of like this, and then click again. You can adjust the thickness of the texture. I think I'm going to put it there. And for the color, you can increase or decrease it to change the color from the object like this. And for the filter, I will decrease it like this. Then go back and hit the check button again. Okay, the next step, if you want to add a text onto it, you can adding it by go back to the toolbars and then stop on the exact duration of the freeze image or freeze footage, and then hit this text button, add a text. So for example, I will type Jolly like this, and then for the font, I'm using maybe this font. Increase the size of it, put it on this side, and then go to style, change the color of it. If you're willing to add a stroke maybe to make it much more bold, or I think it's not use. Okay, kind of like this. Then go to the animation and you can add an animation onto it to create this effect more interactive. So I think I will put it here. Okay, and then I think I'm going to go to the overlay again and add a zoom motion onto this overlay footage. So one, first add a keyframe on this side, then on the end of the overlay clip add a keyframe again, but you need to pinch your finger to zoom in the image, kind of like this. Okay, like this. And when you're done, this is the final result that you get from editing this video. You can adjust the length of the duration, make sure it has a same speed with the text like this. Okay. And that's the way how to create this introduction video on Capcut application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.